Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today we are going to see how to do my zoom in zoom out edit like this. So yeah, let's get into it. So first you need to put 3 keyframes, one in first, middle end. Then at the middle keyframe zoom in close to Neymar's face. Now we need to go at the end keyframe and bring it back to normal. After it's gonna be like this. So now that we are done, we need to zoom in to Neymar's face like the last clip's cause. This is gonna be our transition part. For the middle keyframe, leave comp to normal, but the end zoom into Neymar's face. Since we finished the first part now, it's time to show what graph I used in Eclipse. First graph that I used is called quad out here, how it looks like. And the second one is called cubic, and this is how it looks like. And don't forget to add beats so it's in sync. Repeat, and this is what you're gonna have.